Yes,
Yes,
Doc.
Doc.
Okay.
Yes, Doc.
Uh-huh.
Siya, are you already there?
Yes, Doc. Wait na po.
It checks attendance.
They're all present.
Okay. So we'll proceed. Physiology, as I said, physiology has different types. It could be viral physiology, yeah, bacterial, viral, cellular, plant physiology, vertebrate, mammalian physiology. And what we are dealing here with the College of Medicine is human physiology, because we will be dealing with human from here on until the end of your career. When you will still be practicing, you will be dealing with human, unless you will already retire. But you know, retirement with physicians is only in words. Actually, the physician cannot retire. It's a lifetime career. Me, even if I don't have a clinic, it will come out. My clinic has no boundaries, because especially in the Philippines, they will just, meet you on the street corner. Oh, my daughter, ganyan, ganyan. And then what will I do? You see, that's normal in the Philippines. That's Filipino, especially in the rural area. But not so much in Manila, because it's already a cosmopolitan place. Maraming pera doon ang mga tao. But here in the rural area, you have to be compassionate. And so human physiology explains the specific characteristics, right, and mechanisms of the human body that make it a living being. So man has different instincts. If man is hungry, man seeks food. If he or she is afraid, then seeks refuge. Then if you're cold, you seek the warmth. There is also the instinct of reproduction. And man is a social being. That's why it's very difficult to contain. During the COVID pandemic days, during ECQ, you cannot contain them. That's why, especially in Cebu, it took them a hard time to lower their cases, because their tendency is to go out and socialize. They cannot control their instinct of being sociable. So we are a sensing and a feeling and knowledgeable beings. This is part of our automatic sequence of life. Human body is a complex society of differentiated cells that combine structurally and functionally to carry out functions essential to the survival of the entire organism. So human physiology is the study of the mechanisms of body functions. Man is very complex. So it starts with a fertilized ovum, and it will form a single stem cell. That is miraculous. Then the single stem cell will undergo cell division and growth. See, this is the principle of the stem cell therapy. Upon birth, the baby has 80% the baby's cells, but when that baby will grow up to be adult and become a senior citizen, 80 years old, the stem cell in his or her body will only be 80%. That's why they have difficulty recovering if they get sick. But a baby, if baby gets sick, can easily recover. If he or she develops a wound, there is, for example, a scratch on the baby's skin, it will only take 1 week and the scar is gone. But you notice that when we grow older, scar will last even up to 6 months. Be already on the skin. So the cell will go into cell division and growth, and then it will differentiate. Now this time there is an assignment whether it will become an epithelial cell, connective tissue, nerve cell, or a muscle. Then it will come together and then it will become a tissue. So epithelial cell, you have tissue cell, nerve cell, muscle cell tissues, and it will become an organ. They will come together to become an organ. So actually is, for example, like the kidney, it is made up of epithelial cells, connective tissues, nerve cell, muscle cells. Okay, like